Okay guys, I'm going to apply this liquid lipstick from Give Beauty. It's by Gwen Stefani. This is in the shade called Original Recipe. It's a liquid lipstick. It looks like that. It's a red. So I'm going to go a little bit dramatic for my lip today. So I'm just going to... Look at that. I love it. It was like one swipe. One like dip in the tube. And there is the completed makeup look of the day, guys. I'm so happy. And I hope you like this. Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all have a great day. And we'll see you again soon.